Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install Tomarket in your mobile. Friends, for this reason, at first you have to install Telegram channel from Play Store. Then you have to go to the description of my YouTube video. There you can find one link. Then you have to click on this link and you will be go direct to the Telegram channel like that. Okay. Then size type of interest will be show in your Telegram channel. Then you have to click on launch. Okay friends, launch. Then you can see the Tomarket application will be installed. This will the 31 October will be airdrop because today what only 20 hours is left. Then we have to click on continue to get regards. Then this is such the one type of advertisement for collecting the Toma. You can see there also written 31st October till the world. This is the airdrop time. Okay, now you have to enter. After that you can see you just get reward 4400 coins. Okay, and you have to click on it. So this is the basic procedure friends, and after that you have to complete the task to get tomatoes like Tom. You have to click on task. Then you can see the lots of tasks is there are there. Follow Bytcut on X, watch the video and subscribe to Bigget channel. You have to complete such tasks and you will rewarded 2000 tomato, 5000 tomato like that. After that such that you have to complete all the things. Then you have to go to the airdrop section. You can see check your airdrop. This is coming soon. After 6 to 7 hours airdrop will be started, and that will be you have to click on the view of TG roadmap, and this is the your requirement to get the airdrop from this application friends. So this is the basic theory. This is the basic procedure to get the airdrop friends. So if you like my video, kindly click on my video like option and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thank you for your support.